Hi everyone, I'm Mandy, owner of Gel Essentials. Today I'm going to be creating this nail using Acryl Gel and some nail foils. So to start with, we're going to apply Bonder to what would be the natural nail. This is air dry, so it doesn't need curing. Then you're going to apply base gel. This is just to make sure you've got a firm bond between the acryl gel and the nail. The same process can be done for either sculpted nails or on tips. So we're going to be using our beautiful pastel pink acryl gel and our acryl gel brush and spatula. So you can just see me putting some nail prep and sanitizer into a little dappen dish. That's just so that you can stop your brush sticking to the acryl gel. It doesn't actually do anything other than stop your brush from sticking. So gently press and pull the product to where you want it. One of the beautiful things about acryl gel is that it won't run or slump. It literally will not do anything until you cure it. So you've got endless time to perfect your smile line. All you need to do is just every now and then just dip your brush into the liquid to prevent it from sticking. And as you can see, when I'm pushing that in, I'm just slightly angling my brush sort of inwards. This is to help me when I file. So once you've done that, cure for 90 seconds in an LED lamp, and then I'm going to take our metal nail file and just file to perfect the smile line around the edges. Then I'm just going to paint around the edge of that wall that I've created by filing, just to create a definite line when you come to file. It doesn't need to be very accurate, it just needs to be right up to the top of that wall that you've created. And then once you've done that, cure for 90 seconds in an LED lamp. And then just apply a second coat in exactly the same way. You can see I'm going over the edge of the product. That's fine, because when you file that will be removed. It's just to make sure that it is all the way up to the top of that wall. It's really important so you get your smile line. Then once you've cured that, we're going to apply pastel blue acryl gel. And just use your spatula just to very roughly shape the product where you want it. That'll just give you a bit of a helping hand when you come to place it. And once again, dampen your brush and use your brush to shape where you want the product to go. Acryl gel is a really easy system to use, particularly for beginners, because you haven't got the pressure of acrylic. It's not runny like traditional gels used to be, so you've got plenty of working time. So once you've finished, cure for 90 seconds, and then when it comes out of the lamp, you can do exactly the same with your metal file, just refine the smile line. Next we're going to apply foil adhesive. So you don't need to do a thick coat of this, in fact the thinner the better. And just apply it to the tip of the nail where you're going to want the foil to appear. And you need to let that air dry. Now the product needs to go clear, completely clear. As you can see there, it isn't. You can still see a white patch. That is now ready for the foil to be placed on. I've cut a V out of it just to give me a helping hand when I'm going up the sides. It doesn't again have to be accurate, not to the exact shape, it just gives me a little more manoeuvrability. And press firmly on the foil. Not very easy when you've got gloves on. And what I tend to do is get either a cotton pad or a lint-free pad and just rub it on the nail to make sure that the image is completely transferred. And then just remove the foil. Now you can see around the edges, because of the shape of the nail, it's really difficult to get a really defined area. If I was doing that on a full nail, I would have taken the foil off, put it back on again to make sure there was a full even coverage. But because I don't want to do that, I want to put another wall up of colour. So I'm just using blue minks around the edge of that nail. And if you need to, just dip your brush in nail prep and just tidy around your smile line area. And once that's been cured for 90 seconds, then you can apply your clear Acryl Gel. Again, dip in the brush and just push in the product where you want it to go. And then once you're happy with it, pop it in the lamp for 90 seconds. Then it's ready to be filed. Once again, I'm using my favourite file, the metal nail file. This combination is 180-240 because I'm using gel. If I was using acrylic, I would probably have gone for 100-180. And then I'm using the premium buffer just to finish off. Next, I'm applying the super gloss top coat. Again, a wonderful product. Absolutely love this top coat. It's super shiny and resistant. It's because it's a hard gel, it's resistant to solvents, so it keeps its shine for a lot longer. And that is the completed nail. And then obviously I had to add a little bit of bling to it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the little bell as well, and then you'll get notifications when we upload a new video. All products are available on our website. The link is in the description of the video. I love to hear your comments as well, so if there's something in particular that you want to see, then please let me know. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.